Hey guys, what's up? Alex here from Rising Sun Customs, and just sitting in my car here, taking my lunch break in Philly right now. So, figured I'd take a few minutes here to tell you guys about a few events we got coming up this weekend, September 8th, which is today, 9th, 10th, and 11th. You got the Atlantic City Bike Week event at the Showboat Hotel. Used to be a casino, not anymore, but now they have a nice big arcade in there. They just put in a race track, a go-kart track inside. So a lot of cool things that they've done to the Showboat. Plus, right next door to Showboat, you have the Hard Rock, which is a cool casino. A lot of games, lots to do there, shows, great restaurants, lots of activity. And then the other side, of course, you have Ocean's Tower, which is also a nice place. I haven't been in there too much, but I know they just put a Wahlburgers in there recently, so a bunch of nice restaurants there too. But anyway, more importantly is the bike event itself. It's going to be located at the Showboat. It's not going to be in the same location as last year, the same parking lot, I should say, but it's in the parking lot across from the parking lot from last year, because what they're doing is Showboat's now building a water park in the parking lot that the show was at last year. So make sure you guys, when you go there, there's going to be signs there to show you where the event is. Follow those signs, or you'll see the vendors, and you'll see the vendors set up. There's parking available in the parking garage there at the Showboat for you guys, for your convenience. So check it out. The other event we got coming up next weekend, which is the 15th through the 18th, that is Ocean City, Maryland Bike Fest. That's going to be actually at a swap meet in Pittsville, Maryland, which is about 20-25 minutes away from Ocean City, from all the action. So it's not too bad of a distance. But definitely check that out, because that's going to be a cool event. That's the first year that this event's going to be going on in Pittsville, Maryland, for the Ocean City Bike Fest. So make sure you guys check that event out as well. But like I said, this weekend, Atlantic City, lots to do. There's going to be cold beer, great food. There's a lot of good restaurants, like I said, around that area. Lots to do. There's gonna be lots to see, lots to do. There's gonna be a bike show. There's gonna be a sound off event. I believe that's on Saturday. There's gonna be bikes, a stunt rider doing stunts on his bike. One of my buddies, he'll be setting up there and doing his stunt riding. Vendors, as I mentioned, I'll be one of them actually doing. I'm basically going to be offering minor service work, minor repair work, and oil changes there at the show. Oil change is only $90, which is not too bad. That includes full synthetic oil and filter change. I do work on both Harleys and metric bikes. My specialty is on metric bikes, but I do work on Harleys as well. So again, you guys need any work done, minor service work or oil changes there at the event, look me up. You guys can always find me here, of course, on YouTube. I'm also on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram, and I'm on TikTok. So, again, make sure you guys check out the Atlantic City event happening this weekend. It's from today to the 11th, which is Sunday. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. It's going to be a nice weekend. Weather's looking good, so hopefully I'll see you guys there. All right, but for now, I'm going to sign off. This is Alex from Rising Sun Customs, telling you to keep the sticky side down and the shiny side up. See you guys in AC. Later.